Discover essential survival gear and cutting-edge gadgets that cater to every prepper's needs. From compact multi-tools to advanced water purifiers, our collection ensures preparedness in any situation. Elevate your survival strategy with the latest innovations and ensure you're ready for whatever challenges come your way. I included all the link in video description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Wayland Survival Axe. A versatile and robust tool designed to empower outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers with a comprehensive solution. This survival axe encapsulates Wayland's dedication to durability and innovation. The Wayland Survival Axe boasts a rugged design with integrated tools, showcasing their emphasis on versatility and practicality. Its sharp edge, multifunctional components, and ergonomic grip make it indispensable for various outdoor tasks. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly features, it harmonizes reliability with ease of use. The Survival Axe's fusion of cutting-edge engineering and utilitarian design underscores Wayland's ability to create tools that cater to the demands of those who prioritize preparedness and efficiency during outdoor experiences. The Wayland Survival Axe stands as a testament to their commitment, appealing to adventurers who seek a single, dependable tool for diverse outdoor challenges. Number 9. Scrubba. An innovative solution that redefines laundry on the go for travelers and adventurers. This wash bag captures Scrubba's commitment to practicality and efficiency. The Scrubba wash bag features a portable design with built-in washboard technology, reflecting their emphasis on compactness and effectiveness. Its easy-to-use approach allows you to clean clothes anywhere, using minimal water and effort. With its lightweight and durable construction, it harmonizes portability with reliability. The wash bag's fusion of ingenuity and convenience underscores Scrubba's ability to create products that cater to the needs of modern travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. The Scrubba wash bag stands as a testament to their innovation, appealing to those who value cleanliness and freshness while embracing the adventurous spirit. Number 8. Howtask Light. A versatile lighting solution that illuminates your outdoor adventures with brilliance and ease. This light embodies Howtask's commitment to both functionality and innovation. The Howtask light boasts a compact design with powerful illumination, showcasing their emphasis on practicality and brightness. Its adjustable settings provide customizable lighting for various outdoor scenarios, from camping to hiking. With its durable build and user-friendly controls, it harmonizes reliability with user convenience. The light's fusion of advanced technology and outdoor practicality underscores Howtask's ability to create products that cater to the needs of adventurers seeking dependable illumination. The Howtask light stands as a testament to their expertise, appealing to those who demand efficient lighting solutions that effortlessly enhance their outdoor experiences. Number 7. Jordalite Light. An innovative illumination solution that elevates outdoor experiences with its modern design and reliable performance. This light captures Jordalite's dedication to both aesthetics and functionality. The Jordalite light features a sleek and ergonomic design, reflecting their emphasis on stylish outdoor gear that doesn't compromise on quality. Its powerful illumination capabilities ensure visibility in various settings, from camping to nighttime activities. With its durable construction and user-friendly features, it harmonizes durability with ease of use. The light's fusion of contemporary design and efficient lighting technology underscores Jordalite's ability to create products that resonate with those who seek both aesthetics and performance in their outdoor gear. Number 6. Evo Repel. An advanced waterproofing solution that safeguards your gear from the elements with superior effectiveness. This product showcases Evo's commitment to both protection and innovation. Evo Repel features an advanced formula that creates a durable barrier against water, stains, and environmental factors, reflecting their emphasis on high-performance solutions. Its easy application ensures hassle-free use on various surfaces, from clothing to outdoor equipment. With its versatile application and long-lasting results, it harmonizes convenience with dependable protection. The solution's fusion of cutting-edge technology and practicality underscores Evo's ability to create products that cater to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers who demand reliable gear care. Number 5. Camillus Carnivore X Machete. a rugged and versatile tool designed to excel in outdoor challenges and survival situations. This machete captures Camillus' commitment to durability and innovation. The Carnivore X features a robust design with a sharp blade and integrated tools, reflecting their emphasis on functionality and adaptability. Its durable construction ensures dependable cutting and chopping performance for various tasks in the wild. With its comfortable grip and balanced weight, it harmonizes ease of use with precision. The machete's fusion of ruggedness and multifunctionality underscores Camillus' ability to create tools that cater to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts seeking a dependable tool for various outdoor tasks. The Camillus Carnivore X machete stands as a testament to their expertise, appealing to those who demand high-quality performance and reliability from their outdoor gear. Number 4. Adventure Mate V2. The ultimate outdoor companion that transforms the way you approach outdoor adventures. This product captures Adventure Mate's commitment to innovation and functionality. The Adventure Mate V2 features a modular design with integrated tools, showcasing their emphasis on versatility and practicality. Its compact form combines essential functions like a shovel, axe, saw, and more, making it an all-in-one solution for outdoor tasks. With its rugged construction and user-friendly features, it harmonizes durability with convenience. The product's fusion of smart design and multipurpose functionality underscores Adventure Mate's ability to create gear that caters to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts seeking efficiency and convenience in a single tool. Adventure Mate V2 stands as a testament to their ingenuity, appealing to those who value gear that effortlessly combines utility and adaptability during outdoor pursuits. Number 3. Nordic Pocket Saw. The ultimate outdoor companion that transforms the way you approach outdoor adventures. This product captures Adventure Mate's commitment to innovation and functionality. The Adventure Mate V2 features a modular design with integrated tools, showcasing their emphasis on versatility and practicality. Its compact form combines essential functions like a shovel, axe, saw, and more, making it an all-in-one solution for outdoor tasks. With its rugged construction and user-friendly features, it harmonizes durability with convenience. The product's fusion of smart design and multipurpose functionality underscores Adventure Mate's ability to create gear that caters to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts seeking efficiency and convenience in a single tool. Adventure Mate V2 stands as a testament to their ingenuity, appealing to those who value gear that effortlessly combines utility and adaptability during outdoor pursuits. Number 2. Aker Bivy. A vital survival shelter that offers critical protection and safety for adventurers and explorers. This bivy encapsulates ACR's dedication to preparedness and reliability. The ACR bivy features a compact and lightweight design, reflecting their emphasis on portability and life-saving capabilities. Its durable materials and reflective technology provide thermal insulation and visibility, ensuring you stay warm and visible in emergency situations. With its quick setup and minimalist approach, it harmonizes simplicity with life-preserving features. The Bivy's fusion of practical design and essential functionalities highlights ACR's ability to create products that cater to the needs of those who prioritize safety during outdoor excursions. The ACR Bivy stands as a testament to their expertise, appealing to adventurers who seek reliable protection and swift deployment in unexpected scenarios. Number 1. Barebones Edison Light Stick. A stylish and versatile lighting solution that brings warmth and elegance to outdoor settings. This light stick embodies Barebones' commitment to both aesthetics and functionality. The Barebones Edison Light Stick boasts a sleek design with ambient LED illumination, reflecting their emphasis on creating outdoor gear that seamlessly blends beauty and practicality. Its adjustable brightness settings offer customizable lighting for various occasions, from camping to outdoor gatherings. With its durable build and user-friendly controls, it harmonizes reliability with ease of use. The light stick's fusion of modern aesthetics and efficient lighting technology underscores Barebones' ability to create products that resonate with those who seek enchanting illumination to enhance their outdoor experiences. The Barebones Edison Light Stick stands as a testament to their ethos, appealing to those who value both style and superior performance.